This is the TAUCI 5.1 and 6.4 inch ceramic footed plant pots. They came packaged very nicely, completely covered in styrofoam and completely protected when they shipped. These were sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own. And my opinion is this is a great looking ceramic material. Nice looking white glaze on the outside, and you can see the glaze goes all the way to the inside here, but still leaves the ceramic open on the inside, which is what you want. I love the surface texture here. It's kind of got the lines on it, and you can feel the texture going through here. It really looks nice, and it feels nice. A lot of people prefer ceramic pots to plastic pots. I guess it depends on what you're trying to accomplish. You know, ceramic is very resilient to fading and deforming, and since it's not glazed on the inside, it's going to allow more air and humidity to flow through the soil to the roots. If you're going to keep them outside, they hold up great to constant wind and sunlight exposure, and they're super easy to clean too. You can see the feet on the bottom right here, unglazed. And you can see that each of these pots has a drainage hole in the bottom to allow excess water to seep out. But if you don't want to use it, you can use the leak-proof silicone plug that came with it. Easy to install, easy to uninstall. Each pot also comes with its own little mesh circle here that you can just set in the bottom, and that helps prevent soil from spilling out. I am going to use those. So the smaller pot here has an internal diameter of just over 5 inches, and it's a little over 4.5 inches tall. These little 5-inch planters are great for small succulents like Echeveria and Haworthia, as well as, you know, small herbs like rosemary or basil. And it fits right here on the kitchen counter if you want to put some herbs in there or spices. The 6.4-inch medium pot has an internal diameter of about 6.4 inches, and it stands about 5.9 inches tall. So it's going to be great for something like this Aglionema here, which came in a 6-inch pot. Actually don't even really need any soil on top of that. It fits in there perfectly. These 6.5-inch pots are great for like livelier plants like spider plants or small flowering varieties. They look great in a variety of settings. You can see right here out on the porch. They look great out here on the deck. It's a great looking set of planters for indoor or outdoor use. I like the way that Chinese evergreen looks in there. You can use them in the home or the office, wherever you want. But I love them.